you doing here, huh?
I ain't got no goddamn power in my house. Course a lot about the power. I know these big fat motherfuckers was over here cooking something. I ain't had shit in my refrigerator. Hey, let me say hi to this white people.
Yeah.
You make the best cooking ever. Don't listen to him.
Yeah.
That's why you like that now.
How many burgers you already had?
Shit, girl, I can't even tell you. I ain't gonna never lie.